And then part of the PR thing is to establish that your products are healthy or healthier than others. And then this starts to be funding nutrition studies, lobbying efforts, lobbying to change guidelines and things like that in terms of federal food recommendations. But at the end of the day, companies are really just people. They're not these nebulous creations. It's a legal construct, but they're formed of people. I don't think that anybody's really got malicious intent. I think it's just sort of the system has blossomed into this. But these people that are in these food companies, they are not responsible for your health or my health at the end of the day. We are. So they're regulated. They're in a very regulated industry. But sometimes the regulations don't do what you want them to do, or they have laws of unintended consequences. And at the end of the day, the market wants what the market wants. So if a healthy food was what the market really wanted, you would probably see vegetable stores everywhere, right? You wouldn't see fast food stores, because that would be what people wanted. But for whatever reason, humans want junk food, they want fast food, and they want food that's terrible. That is what sells, and that's why these companies are only selling those kind of foods. Only now are we starting to have a blossoming industry of healthier foods and wellness and things like that. And I think it's starting because of this groundswell of a knowledge base that hopefully I've been a part of and sharing with you, that is allowing people to understand how important food is. Food is medicine. You are what you eat is exactly what your mother told you. So until the market says, hey, we want a little corner shop that sells lettuce and kale everywhere, you're still gonna see McDonald's, and you're still gonna see fast food, and you're still gonna have grocery stores filled with ultra processed foods, which means you have to advocate for yourself, I have to advocate for you, and I'm just gonna teach you what you need to know to be healthy, because none of this is going away. But right now we have an essentially corrupt food industry, and I'm gonna get into that a little bit. And it's a problem, but it's so huge right now. I'm not sure that the tide's going to turn anytime soon. So all we can do is just increase our level of knowledge and know what we're buying and buy stuff that's good for us. But let's get back to the story of where this all began. Okay, so the food industry right now, they sponsor a lot of research. So a lot of what you read about the food and a lot of what you read about nutrition is industry sponsored, okay, by a variety of you know, the meat industry, the dairy industry, the sugar industry, you name it. They all have I guess a seat at the table.